This is a brief overview video for the carbon footprint for AQA GCSE Combined Science. Okay, so when we refer to carbon footprint, what we're talking about is the amount of carbon dioxide. So carbon footprint is the amount of carbon dioxide, and I'm going to abbreviate that to CO2, the amount of CO2 produced by something or someone. I'm just going to put something for this one, okay? Now, when we're talking about that, we're talking about the carbon dioxide that's being produced from the moment that thing was being produced to it being used to it being ended. This really closely links in the AQA Combined Science specification to a life cycle assessment. If you're not sure what a life cycle assessment is, I'm going to do another video on that so that you can look at that as well. But fundamentally, if we took an object, so let's say, for example, let's think about a mobile phone. So if we had our mobile phone and we were thinking about the amount of materials that went to using that to make that mobile phone, so we could look at the production of that mobile phone, we would look at the amount of carbon dioxide that's being made at that stage. We'd also then be able to look at the use of that mobile phone. So every time I have to charge it, every time I have to replace anything for it, etc., etc. We could also then look at the disposal of that mobile phone. So what do I do with it at the end? Does it go to landfill? What happens to it? Again, all of that will look at the amount of carbon dioxide being produced. So when we're looking at the carbon footprint of something, we're looking at how much carbon dioxide is being produced by that thing or by that person or by that whatever it is. It could be transport, for example. How much carbon dioxide is being produced. So when we refer to somebody's carbon footprint, if I was talking about your carbon footprint, we would be talking about every single thing you do on a day-to-day, everything you use, everything you've got, your clothing, your mobile phone, your laptop, your sleeping, your bed, your house. What combination of all the carbon dioxide that's being produced by all those things, how much is there? That's what we're referring to when we talk about something's carbon footprint.